The hamburger has no connection to ham. It got its name for German town of Hamburg, which was famous for its ground steak. German immigrants to the United States introduced the hamburger steak at the St. Louis World's Fair in 1904. Hamburger steaks were served on buns for the first time. Hamburgers on buns were convenient and taste good. This became the usual way of eating hamburgers. How did the hamburger become the most popular, most typical American food? The introduction of the bun is an important part of the answer. Another important part is McDonald's, the fast food restaurant.